Salam and de Nachu. Yo, guys, welcome back in today. Today we're going to be learning a couple basic words and a couple basic sentences in the Ethiopian language of Amharic. And if you don't know, that is the main language of Ethiopia. And there are many different languages. There's probably, I think, over like maybe 80 languages or somewhere between 70, 80 languages in Ethiopia, but that's just the main language. So today, we're gonna try to learn a little bit, and hopefully I don't butcher all these words in these sentences, because I'm trying, guys. Like, this is not my first language, right? Even though I've spoke this language a little bit before here and there, you know what I'm saying? But this is not my first language. So the first one we're gonna say is hello, right? Hello. Mm-hmm. And hello is?
Salam.
Salam. I just said it a minute ago. Salam. Salam. Salam, right? That's how you say hello? That's pretty easy. I think I'm doing pretty good, right?
You are, yeah.
Okay. You acting like you think this is easy, right? Like it's gonna get harder. So you probably like, okay, we're gonna go to number 2. So number 2 that we have, guys, is going to be water, correct?
Yeah.
Water?
That's wuha.
Wuha. So water is wuha.
Wuha, yeah.
Wuha. Okay. So if like I'm asking somebody for water, I could be like, I would like to have wuha.
Yeah.
You see, check me out. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm about to be a little Addis boy pretty soon, you know? Be taking trips from Addis to Gondar. I know these things. They don't think I know these things. I know these things. Okay, so that was 2, which is water. Number 3 would be sun.
I.
So sun is, say it one more time.
This is going to be hard for you.
I'm trying. So, okay, hold on. So sun is ts. I'm trying, yo. Come on, give me a break. Like, okay, say it one more time. Sahai.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
close.
was it? It was good?
Yeah.
Sahai? Sahai.
Mm-hmm.
Set. I want to keep saying set the high, because I know set the high like Somali. That's in my brain. Say it again.
Sahai. You can try Sahai.
Sahai?
That's close.
Oh, but then I would have to put like the like Sahai.
Sahai. Yeah.
Yay! Your boy finally got it. You know what I'm saying? Well, thank you very much. I appreciate that. I finally got it. Appreciate it. So we're going to number 4.
Say it one more time.
I can't say it again. Don't make me say it again. I'm trying. It's hard. Number 4 is going to be go. Like go somewhere. Or go. Like go.
Oh, heat.
Heat?
It's actually different for men and female.
Oh, so this one's different for men and female.
Yeah.
Okay, so for a man speaking to a female, what would you say?
Hiji.
Heat?
Hiji.
Hiji.
Yeah, it's for female, right?
No, man saying for men. I mean, man saying for female.
Hiji.
Hiji.
Yeah.
That's actually a dope name. Hiji. Like Fiji, like mountain, like Hiji.
For male demo, it's heat.
So for a woman saying to a man,
Heat.
heat.
D.
Oh, heat.
It's a normal D, heat. Yeah.
Yeah, like heat, like HED, heat.
Yeah, exactly.
Heat. Okay, heat. Okay. So those are actually the same word, but one's for a woman to a man and one's man to a woman.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, I think that's pretty good. Now, guys, this is the 5th one. This is going to be the last one of what I think is somewhat easy, right? This is the last word. After this, we're getting into the sentences. This is going to be, Jesus, no. Okay, so the last one for number 5 is sky.
Oh, semi.
Semi.
Yeah, semi.
Semi. My. Semi.
Yeah.
Sky is semi? Yeah, I knew that already. It's easy. Yeah, like I'm teaching you right now. Semi. Yeah, semi. So semi is like sky.
Mm-hmm.
Sky. Semi. It almost reminds me of like semi-truck. You know, in America, like semi-truck, semi.
Okay.
Well, you know, I'm just saying, like, I'm just trying to get people to relate to it. That was number 5 for the words, and now we're going to move on to the sentences.
Okay.
This is where it's getting a little tricky and a little difficult. So guys, bear with me. Don't laugh too hard, because I know there's going to be some Ethiopian people laughing hard over here. Okay, number 6 is, how are you doing?
And it's not true?
Indeed not true. How are you doing?
Yeah, indeed not true.
Indeed not true. Indeed not true.
Yeah.
Yeah, indeed not true. Indeed not true.
I'm not sure about this one. And then not true.
Indeed not true.
Yeah.
Indeed not true. What does indeed not true mean?
How are you doing?
How are you doing? Isn't that what I said?
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, okay. Indeed not true. Okay, cool. That was actually pretty easy. Okay, number 7 is going to be give me water.
Wahasichi.
Wahasichi.
Yeah. Waha is water.
Waha's water.
Give me a sichi.
Give me is sichi.
Yeah.
Waha.
Wahasichi.
Wahasichi. Wahasichi. Fikr. Wahasichi. I can say that to like an Ethiopian. Okay, let me not push my luck. let me not push my luck. I could just say that, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so that's give me water. That was actually pretty easy. So we're going on to number 8, and I feel like maybe it's not so hard, but like I feel like these last ones is going to be very hard. I don't know. And now we're going to go to number 8, and number 8 is the sky looks good. Could you tell me how to say the sky looks good?
Samayu Yambra.
God. Say it one more time.
Yambra.
Hold on, one more time.
Samayu
Samayu
Yambra.
Yamra. Samayu
Yambra.
Yamra.
Samai is sky.
Samaya sky.
Yambra is it looks beautiful.
Yamra is Yamra.
Yeah, Yambra.
Yamra is it looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Say it one more time.
Samayu Yambra.
Samayu
Samayu Yambra.
Yamra.
Samayu
Samayu
Yambra.
Yamra. Samayu Yamra.
Mm-hmm.
You see? Samayu Yamra. No, I said it wrong a little bit. I don't want to push my luck. I'm trying. Was it pretty good though? Like it was alright? It was good? Okay. I got a good teacher, I guess, you know, like. Guys, on to number 9. We're gonna go on to number 9. And number 9 is let's go for a swim.
Wananit.
Wananit. Wana. Init.
Yeah.
Wana. Init. It's hot outside, guys. It's summertime. Wana. Say it again. Say it again.
Wana.
It's hot outside, guys. Let's go for a swim.
You want me to say the whole thing?
Yeah. No. Okay.
Or
I'm just improvising. I was about to repeat what you said. Okay. Say it again.
Wana.
Wana.
Wana means swim.
Yeah. Wana.
And
Init. Okay. Guys, let's go first. Guys, let's swim. Wana. Init. Wana. Init. Wana. Init. Wana. Init. Fikr. Wana. Init. This is what I would say to Ethiopian girl.
you want to say that, don't you?
Yeah, I mean, you know, just, you know, what can I say? You know what I'm saying? Let's go eat.
I'm sorry.
What is wrong with you? You're my teacher. Come on. You gotta teach me. Okay. Sorry, guys. She's like in the background, like laughing. Yeah, let's go eat. Yeah, it's let's go eat, teacher. Let's go eat. And say it again. I need you to like focus, teacher. In Nibla. Let's go eat. Nibla. Let's go eat. Nibla. I love this word. I have to hold back about how much I love this word. I love saying this word. Okay, I'm not gonna say no more, but I love that word. Let's go eat. That's what you were saying. Inhabitants. It sounds like funny, like when it's coming off my lips. That's why I like to say it. I like to say words like that. You know, words that are like a little difficult, you know. Let's say it like that. Yeah, nebla. There you go. Guys, the last one, actually, this is a special one. It's going to be Ethiopian New Year's, which I would love to celebrate. I'm going to celebrate. I'm going to call some of my family up. We're going to celebrate. We're going to dance, have a good time, right? But since that is the case, and that's an event that's coming up, also, before I say number 10, if you want to go celebrate Ethiopian New Year's in whatever city, you should look up Ethiopian New Year's, reach out to the Ethiopian community, try to figure out where it's going to be at, and go and like celebrate it. I think it's really fun. But number 10 is Happy New Year's. Metkam Addis Summit. Metkam Addis Summit. Man, I'm a pro in the game. I'm Ethiopian. Like, what's up? Like, I'm a Addis boy. I'm a Gander boy. I just made that up. I don't even know if that's a thing, like a Gander boy, a Addis boy, but like, yeah, guys, that is number 10. And, you know, I really appreciate you helping me, like, learn more of the language in Ethiopia. I think Ethiopia is a very beautiful country. If you guys don't know, Ethiopia has many different cities with ancient history, rock churches in Gander. Addis is a huge city. You should check it out. They have all kind of different stuff too. I actually like Tej. You like Tej? Yeah, I love Tej. You know, Tej is like Ethiopian honey wine. If you guys haven't had it, you should definitely check it out. But until next time, please like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you guys will get all my videos down there. And what can I say? Enjoy Ethiopian New Year's. And until next time, peace. One love.